If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. To add custom fields to the basic purchase order form if you use purchase orders for inventory, click the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar. Then click the Account and Settings link under the Your Company heading in the drop-down menu. In the Account and Settings window that opens, click the Expenses button in the menu at the left side of the window. Then click the Purchase Orders section that appears to the right to edit its settings. To enable purchase orders, ensure the Use Purchase Orders toggle switch is set to the On position. When enabled, additional purchase order options then appear below it within this section. The Custom Fields section shows 3 empty fields with checkboxes next to each. To add a custom field to a purchase order, check the checkbox next to the custom field to add. Then enter the custom field's label into the adjacent field. This creates a field with that label in your purchase orders where you can enter information into the field. For example, you could add a ship by field to add a time by when to ship the items. Custom field names can only be up to 15 characters long and can contain field values up to 31 characters, including any spaces. To use custom numbering in purchase orders, click the Custom Transaction Numbers toggle switch to set it to the On position. To set a default message to show in purchase orders, type one into the Default Message on Purchase Orders field. To save and apply your changes when finished, click the Save button in this section. Alternatively, to cancel your changes, click the Cancel button. To close the Account and Settings window, click the Done button in the lower right corner or click the X button in its upper right corner. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.